remember one time I talking to mommy and she said to me, what you want to be when you grow up? I was like, a cosmetologist or a herbalist or one of them will help people look better with themselves. So I've always had this passion for making or enhancing one's appearance or, health or self. And I have developed this passion for planting herbs in my garden and using that herbs to make a medicine and products so I could help others. I have so many ideas in my head going, and sometimes I have to write them down. And I know my ancestors are guiding me because every time I formulate a ingredient I got or a recipe I got during sleep or vision or meditation, it always hits the spot and it always works out to be what I am looking for. And it addressed all the issues that I'm having. Even when I went on holiday to Jamaica, the product I brought with me, it helped me with the mosquitoes. And I didn't make it for mosquitoes. I just made it for eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. And that product that I made was also through my ancestors. I went to bed one night dreaming and I was in a lab making products. And I woke up with the recipe off bat with all the ingredients, measurement, and everything. So I just work according to how the spirit, moves me and how I'm feeling, at the moment. So it's very vital for me to keep my energy up and to make sure I surround myself with positive people and my environment is positive as well. So I'm always in my garden planting stuff, making, herbs, drying herbs, planting foods for the kids. I'm always constantly doing something in the garden. And I've made these products that I'm going to show you now from my garden. If you follow me on any social media platform or you subscribe to my channel, then you know that I was suffering from hair loss. I don't know if it was a fungal infection or alopecia, but I was really struggling. And I formulated a hair oil and a hair shampoo as well from Nettle and Horsetail. And I grow most of the herbs in my garden that I use to formulate this product. So I use around 15 different herbs that I use in this product, and I actually grow 10 out of the 15. So to me, I just feel overwhelmed knowing that this product is working from the herbs that I got in my garden and they're organic, hence me calling myself organics. All right, so this is what I've been doing for the past 4 or 5 years. And this is my nettle farm, as I was saying to you. The only thing I haven't got on here is the horsetail and the cloves and, some other ingredients that I add to the recipe. So I wanted to just show you how you can plant whatever you love to eat or grow in your garden and benefit from that herb or plant. You can have multitude or variety of different stuff from herbs in your garden. I can do it, you can do it. It's easy to do. Just choose the herbs you want to invest in, spend time learning about them, and then just plant them in the garden and watch them grow. I promise you won't regret it. It's so therapeutic and holistic to your mind, body, and soul. And with this said, I'm going to now show you how I actually bottle up my products after making them and use it in my clients' hair. And this is what I do. I retail my products to my clients so they can benefit from treatment with me and treatment at home. So most of the products that I make is herbs that I use from my garden, and I dry them at home in net bags like these, hang them in the back room where it's very ventilated and aerated for drying stuff. This is my dry room, and I never had any issues with it, and I won't be having any issues with it, and it works well. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, how I go about using the herbs from my garden to make products so I can retail. As what my father says, he provide us with everything, fruit bearing herb of the earth, and I am going to be abundantly grateful with what Jah has given me, and I'm going to use it wisely and help solve some problems we're having in this environment or this place we call home, earth. You get me? So all I'm doing now is I'm just gonna make sure that my oil is infused. There's so many different ways you could do this. You know, I can show you other methods I've used to extract medicinal properties from my herbs with oils. But I just wanted to show you that I was making a batch for wholesale order, and I wanted to just show you how I went about doing this and how beneficial the oil is for your scalp, for your skin, just for your mental health. And yeah, I just wanted to show you behind the scenes what I do. And if you want to see more of this, just comment in the box below. Let me know this is what you want to see, and I'll get some more videos like this out for you. And I've also linked the product in the description box. So if you want to have a go and try our products, the link is in the description box. And yeah, I just want you to full enjoy this video. There's not much that I could say on this video. It's just, you know, I make products from anything I plant in the garden. I know it's organic. I know what I put on it. And if you watch my other videos, you see how much I go to make sure I have a very successful and abundant garden. I make my own compost, I make my own fertilizer, and I do most of the things at home so I can feel, you know, self-sufficient enough to run my business as well. I am also a teacher. I do homeschool my son. So I'm very busy because I have clients, and then I have to do homeschooling. Then I make products as well. So everything is going to be linked in the description box below if you're interested. But for now, I'm just showing you how I go about doing my thing. All right. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you put that notification bell on. I've got more, you know, recipes coming that I wanted to share with you guys, and we don't want to miss nothing. So put the notification bell on, and then you will hear pilling, ling, ling, ling. You know, natural Knatty Sista will come through. Thanks for joining, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. I wanted to just share the amazing benefits of using Nettle and Horsetail hair growth oil. With these two natural ingredients, I have been using these for a long time to promote healthy hair growth and to improve my hair texture. Not only I have been using it, but people have been using it for centuries. They combine these two powerful herbs, and they are packed with nutrients, including silica, iron, vitamin B. It also helps to strengthen your hair follicles, reduce hair loss, promote thicker, fuller hair. And the salate in the nettle works as a binding agent. It gives your hair hydration, backing that with a healthy appearance. So I love the properties in this oil. Nettle has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to soothe the scalp and reduce dandruff, while horsetail is a fern that contains a compound called disalide disulfide. This compound works to stimulate hair growth and improve hair texture. So if you're going to nourish the scalp, you're going to strengthen the follicles, right? So horsetail contains antioxidants and vitamins that can help to reduce inflammation and promote overall healthy hair. So when you combine these two, in my opinion, they create a powerful solution for promoting healthy hair growth. The oil also can be used on its own or mixed with other hair care products to enhance some of the benefits. Some of the ways you can incorporate the oil into your hair care routine includes massaging it into your scalp before bed to promote hair growth and strengthen the follicles. But you're going to make sure you put your bonnet on every single night. Don't miss the bonnet. You cannot miss the bonnet. Add a few drops into your favorite hair oil for boost of nourishment and growth. You can even mix with your favorite hair wash, conditioner, and this is going to enhance the hydration and the growth. All right, we spoke about that. Also, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner to maintain moisture and prevent breakage. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can use it on your heels. You can use it for cuticle oil. You can use it for your eczema patches. This is an overall body oil. You can use it wherever you want to use it. But you need to remember, consistency is the key when it comes on to seeing results with your hair growth. All right. So if you're going to give this natural solution a try, you need to full enjoy the benefits of healthy hair and full hair by being consistent. All right. Don't bother try it today. and say, oh, it never worked and don't bother do it again. You need to be consistent with your hair care routine. And remember, this is going to solve your dandruff issues or your sebum issues. If you're producing too much sebum, you're going to regulate and balance your hormone and your pH, all right? So if you use this oil, I guarantee you, you're going to see results not long, in a very short time, but you need to be consistent. I find that having healthier hair comes with using natural ingredients, such as plant extracts, essential oils, or herbal remedies. They are more gentle on the hair and scalp and reduce the risk of irritation and damage. You need to nourish your natural hair as well. And you're going to nourish your hair by using rich ingredients that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And these are going to nourish and strengthen your hair, promote healthy growth and vitality. You need to consider the environment. Is it friendly for my hair? What's going on? Is the UV rays a bit too high? What's really going on? So you're going to use the natural ingredients in hair care products to reduce environmental impact of harmful chemicals and synthetic additives. You're going to make sure you support your eco-friendly practices by using natural, holistic remedies or treatments, all right? So when you hear me talk about a holistic hair care or a holistic approach, this is going to connect your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This is going to help you promote overall health and balance. All right, so that's what I wanted to tell you. And if you use the holistic care, it utilizes natural ingredients and remedies to nourish your scalp. It also looks at your individual needs and practices, your lifestyle, what are you doing as a routine, long-term results. And if you address these underlying issues, this holistic approach can lead to improvements in hair, health, and wealth. So your body, mind, and soul is going to be connected. Therefore, you're going to incorporate relaxation techniques, stress management, and mindfulness that promote a healthy mind, body that connects with that positive impact for healthy hair growth. All right, so that's what I want you to do, to take a holistic approach to hair care, so you can address your individual needs and achieve healthy, strong, and more vibrant hair. You also will address the root cause of hair loss and promote overall well-being. So let me know if you need any further information or have any more specific questions related to holistic care, and I'm here for you. I've leave my contact information in the description box below. You can email me or you can WhatsApp me if you want to talk about your hair journey and issues that you're having. And we can work out a holistic, consultation plan. There you can go onto a program where we can discuss further how you can enhance or improve ways to introduce holistic hair care in your routine. Another thing I wanted to mention about as well, that some people may suffer different causes of hair loss, and how holistically hair care can help you guys to alleviate or differentiate if it's a genetic thing, hormonal thing. Is it due to stress or, nutritional deficiency? Is it the environment? What is causing this? So you go down deep to the root cause of things and find out, so you can actually nip it in the bud and get rid of that total. So holistic approach to hair care is vital in my salon. I only do that with my clients because I need to address what's causing their issue. I don't want to treat, I want to prevent. So this is how I do prevention in the salon. I educate my clients first to let them know that, certain things may affect you and this is what you can do. This client here, he's got scalp issues at the moment. His scalp is flaking and it's due to the chemical products he's using when he's not here with me at the salon. So I had to educate him today and let him know that you need to be more holistic when it comes on to your hair care. So we worked out a plan. He's gone home with some products and we're going to take it from there. So I'll update you guys to let you know how he's getting on. But for now, this is my Nettle and Horsetail Crown Strengthening Shampoo. And I am Nyx, your natural natty sister. And I make products from the herbs and plants in my garden. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you are interested in our products, in the description box, there's a link. Click it and full joy yourself. And I'll see you on the next one.